In my previous video, you have learned about the functions or need for political parties. Now the question arises, why there was necessity for political party? So, it is very simple to understand the necessity for political party. Let's assume one example. In the country or in the world, there are no political parties. When election comes, what will happen? All the individual candidates, they will contest election individually from every constituency. They will get elected. They will be responsible for their particular constituency. But then the question arises, who will be responsible for taking the big decisions or decisions for the entire country? Then no candidate will take the responsibility to take decision for the entire country. Why? They just represent the particular constituency or an area. Therefore, from this we can conclude that there is need for political parties who function or work for the entire country. Let's take another example. When we have the election in the local self-government for panchayat, what happens? Normally there is no political party in a village. So the candidates who are standing for the positions of sarpanch or panch, the villagers start supporting them, and slowly as time passes by, what we find, the whole village gets divided into different segments supporting A candidate, B candidate, C candidate, and so on. What does this show? Nothing. The emergence of political party. What we have learned in our video number 1, political party means group of peoples having same ideologies, policies, thinkings. Then they come together, contest election and become the part of the government and exercise the power. And this is what happens even in the panchayat election also, what we have seen. There was no party, candidates individually standing, but later on the whole village got divided into different groups. So what does that group represent? A philosophy of group of people. They support candidate A. 50 or 80 people, group B, C. This again shows that there is need or necessity for political party. A good question, very often asked in the exam for 3 marks.